Hello, little readers. Thank you for joining me today on Once Upon a Storytime. Today's story we will be reading is Whose Hands Are These? A Community Helper Guessing Book by Miranda Paul, illustrations by Luciana Navarro Powell. Hands can wiggle, hands can clap, hands can rap and flap and tap, but hands can help. So raise yours, please. Can you guess? Whose hands are these? Hoe and sow, these hands are soiled. Sweep and reap, these hands have toiled. In the barn, these hands are charmers. These hands belong to many. Farmers! Choose, peruse, these hands are picky. Mix and mash, these hands are sticky. These hands flip through food-stained books. These hands belong to gifted cooks. Stop and go. These hands are waving. Catch that guy. He's misbehaving. These hands help us keep the peace. Hold yours up. It's the police. Quest and test. These hands are turning. Test again. These hands are learning. Weigh and count. Their work persists. These hands belong to scientists. Push and play. These hands are shaping. Wet with clay. These hands are scraping. These hands keep on adding water. These are the hands of one great potter. Taking notes. These hands are writing. Breaking story? How exciting! These hands can type or hold recorders. These hands belong to news reporters. Yank and crank, these hands are smeared. Reach and wrench, they've disappeared. When something breaks, these hands don't panic. These hands belong to a mechanic. Dream and sketch, these hands draw lines. Stack and build, they form designs. Measure twice. Check all the specs. These hands belong to architects. Arms up high. These hands keep score. Throwing flags, they say, no more. Each hand signs and oversees. These hands belong to referees. Rub and scrub. These hands are clean. Wearing gloves, these hands are green. These hands all have healing missions. These hands belong to your physicians. Come on in. These hands wave sweetly. Caked in chalk, these hands write neatly. These hands care for kids and creatures. These hands belong to helpful teachers. Greeting, eating, dressing, sharing, cleaning, caring, or repairing. Let your hands try something new. One day, what could your hands do? Welcome to our job fair. Thanks for joining Once Upon a Storytime. It's the end of our story, but don't be sad. More tales are coming, and we're so glad. So click subscribe, and don't forget, we'll read again real soon. You bet.